welcome back. This is a demo of a pattern that I'm going to call Carefree Day, and I'm going to have a whole tune of this in my Mischief on the Double Strung book. But anyway, you can see here how you can take one pattern in your right hand and repeat it for an entire time and do something very simple in the left hand, but do it all with sort of funky rhythms and do something totally amazing. And I think by the end you'll go, I could never do that on a harp, but it's possible on a double. The right hand of that tune is just recycles on a C158 the whole time. The rhythm is kind of different though. I don't really know what kind of rhythm I do because it's sort of just intuitive, but anyway, I did write it down. So the left hand is just a 158 on a C, come up to a D, 168. E, 168, F, 168. So I just walked up. Then I go down to an A, 168, a G, 168. And then a G, 158, and a C, 158. And that last little part is just sixths. And this one is rocked. And that's it. Now I'll go really slow so you can analyze it a little bit. And I'll try to keep my right hand up a little bit so you can see it. Okay. I could do different things with this pattern of, it's basically a 158 and then several 168s and then a 158. And the right hand is still on this recycle. Let's try this. I'm going to actually try that on an A minor 158 and see what happens. I did a brief damp of that D minor chord before I went to the E minor chord and then down to the A minor. The reason I did that is it would sound mushy if I went. And besides, I might hit that other string that was already vibrating and it would buzz like that. So I damp it. I know that pattern is not for the faint of heart, but I thought you'd enjoy seeing it, and some of you will really enjoy doing it.